Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and I have a really exciting video for you all today because we have a super fun unboxing. Now my friend on Instagram, her name is Jana, she's really sweet and wanted to do another Halloween swap. So we did one. I sent hers off and I got hers in the mail today and I'm really excited to unbox it. Now I did open it beforehand and cover up the addresses and stuff. So I have seen the top of the box, I will say, but I didn't look inside. So I was like, ooh, pretty, fun. And she put a spider in there, guys. Freaked me out when I was cutting it open. But I really love these little I have a couple of these pom-poms. I don't think I have this color, but I have a couple little pom-poms I've used on projects. So I'm excited to have this. Not this guy. Not this. Terrifying. So I will be giving that to a neighborhood child that would like to play with that. I'm going to move this. And these were also all over when I opened the package. These little skull. They're really, really cute. These skull sequins. Confetti. So I'm going to try to remove this so it all, this is my problem with sequins. There we go. I'm going to try to remove this top layer, keep it all together, so I can either use it on another Halloween gift or keep each individual piece. Okay. We have some bubble wrap here, some more skull sequins, just trying to keep them together so that way I can use them for Halloween projects. And obviously it's a little bit before Halloween still, but fun anyway. We'll open it up, move that off to the side. Oh, she sent such a huge box, by the way. I was so surprised. I was like, that cannot be our swap. Okay, so we have this guy here first. So it's cute. It says made for each other, thinking of, oh, it's a Mickey bag. I see, these are Mickey's arms. Oh, cute. Do you guys see that? I'm not sure if there's a, oh, this might be a card. No, it's not. It's a package. Okay, we'll just, this was on top, so we'll open this. So we've got some candy. Pumpkin Patch Orange. Orange is one of my favorite flavors, so I'm excited to try these, and I've never had these ones. Orange and green popping candy. I don't know if I've had, oh, there's the card. Caitlin. And she has beautiful handwriting, by the way. Like, look at that. So, so pretty. Guys, I'm going to peel this off and keep it. I love little kitty cats. I'll have to peel it off after. That's one thing I don't like doing about decorating envelopes is I want to keep everything. Let me open this. And of course it's a squirrel. I also love squirrels in case you guys didn't know. So it says, I hope you enjoy all your goodies. It was so much fun creating them for you. The rosettes were not made by me, but were included so you could embellish them yourself. Happy Halloween. Aw, it's cute. I just can't get over this squirrel ear. Thank you for the card. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I'm not sure what the rest of these goodies are. Oh, and there's a little, oh, so I think these are pouches and stuff that I could use in like a multimedia book. So we have a little purple envelope. There's not a lot of purple in scrapbooking, so I'm always looking for more. Little pumpkin treat book bag. An emergency blood energy potion. That's fun. And then we have some cute printed Halloween sacks here. So it's that one. Oh, these ones are some of my favorites to include hidden journaling. I really like these sizes because they can fit either large pieces of paper or large tags. Oh, this one's cute too. Oh, there's a little paper clip on that one. Trick or treat. And this one says Happy Halloween with a kitty cat. Can't get enough of cats. As you guys know, I have 2 cats. This is something I definitely didn't need. One glow rat. Oh, this must have fallen off something. That's okay. We'll have to put that sticker back where it goes. She sent so many things. She went all out. A little Velcro pouch. I don't want to rip it. Oh, and then this side says, hey, pumpkin. Squad ghouls. I actually have a Halloween shirt I think I bought last year that says Ghouls Night Out. Super cute. I'll have to wear that in a video. So these are some different trinkets. I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking at. Oh, you are kidding me. This is the coolest. Oh my god, I dropped one. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's like one of those Mickey balloons from the parks, and then some gold, a purple one. Oh, and then an orange one. That'll be perfect for my Halloween party pages because we got to go to the Halloween party this year. If you hadn't watched my favorites video, we got to go to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party this year. completely unexpected, but it was so fun, and I showed some of the photos in that video of the special photo ops we got to do during it. So really excited to have some like Disney-esque themed Halloween stuff. So we have this little thing here, which it looks like it's a booklet tied together with ribbon. It's sequins and jewels. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so here's some things she sent me. Some kitty cat and pumpkin stickers. I actually had a hard time finding a lot of Halloween stuff that wasn't the vintage spooky stuff. She sends the, oh, these are really puffy and super cute. And how cute is this holder for all of them? It says Barry M. Dead. We have some glitter cats, glitter skulls. Let's see. Earl Grey. We got tea up in here. Jeez. And then this must be from the, I think this is a Simple Stories collection. You've Got Me Under Your Spell. I really like this booklet, so it just seems like it's 12 by 12 accordion style. That's a really cute idea. Okay, we'll set that aside. I really love those stickers. We have a skeleton straw, which you guys might not know, as I really like to use straws. And this one's a nice reusable little skeleton guy. That's so funny. So funny. Here we have a little kitty cat with some pens, a little notebook. I always love trying new gel pens. Here we have a syringe. So this probably is for the Halloween blood bag, if you will. The protein blood bag. Here we have a little box. I'm a goner. A little spider on it. So let's see. It's got little doodads inside. This is insane. And a little extra pom-pom there. So let's see how we open this. I think this one has spiders in it too. Oh my gosh, acrylic spiders. Not only is it creepy, it's terrifying. We have, oh, she sent me some of these pumpkins last time, and they're so cute. I love them. Little puffy ghosts, some puffy hearts, and teal and gold. And then these eyeballs. I talked about these eyeballs last time she sent them. These are really great if you have monster stamps to put them on the monsters instead of just using the eyes that traditionally come with them. But we've got silver spiders, we've got gold, or not gold, we got black, matte black, and sparkly black. I don't know what I'm gonna use all these spiders on, but it's really cute. And then we have some little fillers underneath the little hearts there. Oh, this little container is so precious. It doesn't have like a latch, so I think that's why she put it in the bag. But she even just decorated the box. The perfect Halloween box. She sent me a giant pen. I'll use this to sign all of my documents for work. That'll be put to good use. Now we have stuff that's under here that's not even, we haven't even gotten to the pocket letter yet. Guys, this is, she has gone above, oh, look at these. I was just thinking how I ran out of orange jewels because I finished them working on the pocket letter for Jana, so it's really funny that I got some more. These are even better than the ones I had, but she even made toppers for all of these. How cute are those, guys? So talented. And then these are the rosettes she was talking about. So she said she didn't make these, but I am, you know, we can decorate the tops, you know, because it just has the base there, so I could add my own ephemera or stickers. And there is quite a bit of glitter falling off here, but we don't mind that. I'm not a huge disliker of glitter. I have glitter every now and then. And again, another little kitty cat. I'm not sure what line those are from, but they're super cute. So I think I'm going to move the box out of the way. Obviously, there's still a lot in here. Oops. And let's grab some few pieces that are left here. So we have this guy. We have this. And then we have this, which seems like it's something that's breakable. Okay. We'll leave the fun things for last. See some, these mystery items. Back over to here. Okay, let's go over these items. So a little pouch here says Boo to You, which maybe that's supposed to be for like an ode to Disney for the Boo to You parade. And I cannot believe how many different washi tapes you have for Halloween. That just blows my mind every time. They're so cute. Peel that off and keep it. Is this a sealed bag? I don't want to rip it, but I also want to know, is this candy? I don't want to rip it. Am I supposed to open it down here? No, I think it's supposed to be up here. Might have been one of those self-sealing ones. Grab my scissors. We'll just trim off the top so I can use the bag at a later date. Surprise, not candy. That's okay. What it is, a Doris permanent adhesive. I don't know if I've tried Doris adhesive before, but I like their other products. They make some great embossing folders. I think I have some other tools from them too, but I'm not sure, but that'll come in handy. I really like smaller tapes for my couch crafting, but I don't have any as of lately, so I've just been using my big ATG gun, which is obviously large. Guys, I have to do a close-up of this. Look at this little charm. It's a Mickey key. How precious is that? And that's what's holding together the pocket page. We haven't even gotten to the pocket page, guys. This is just above and beyond and so unexpected. This is so fun. If you guys have not tried swaps yet, I would highly recommend it. One of these came off on me. Definitely check out the local Facebook groups in your area if you want to do in-person swaps, or you could do online swaps. Oh, I'm unraveling it the wrong way. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. I need to know what collection this is. I think it's Simple Stories. It's either Simple Stories or Photo Play. I think this is their style. But this guy's, oh, it's so cute. I'm just taking it all in. It's really, with a little bat. I like the 31 in the center. You are a pro at pocket pages, I must say. And then the back is full of fun goodies. We got another tea. This one, Egyptian chamomile. We've got some big old bats over here, which there might be a little bit of a glare. I'll do a close-up after. We've got some beautiful, more of the skulls. And we've got some pumpkins too. Confetti. We've got some, look at that heart tape. We've got some different washi tapes, glitter pumpkins, glitter bats. This is like chipboard. Maybe it's wood veneer. Happy Halloween. Pretty little studio. That's really cute. I love this shade of orange, the burnt orange, one of my favorites. But we do have some of these die cuts, which I assume are from the same collection because they look very similar. So I have a little guy that says "So Spooky." And we've got a couple 2x2 cards. So we have the sugar skull with a purple diagonal back. We've got a little trick-or-treating dude, purple diagonal back. These must have been a cut-apart sheet. And then Rickety Bones, which I think is so funny. I love these Halloween puns. These are always out at this time of year. But I just think it's funny to see. I didn't mean to drop that. And then we have a little mummy with a pretzel. This has to be Disney Halloween themed. Why would a mummy have a pretzel any other time of the year? And then a boo and a hat with a bow on it. So cute. I still can't get over the front of this. And the things in the back just add so much. And it's one thing I didn't like about pocket letters is that you can't fit much in the back. So we like to include things besides just the pocket letter. But this is all I needed. I didn't need everything else. Thank you so much. But how cute is this? Let's do some close-ups. She's really great at making them all a little bit different. So it's not like the same sort of pattern over and over. Really cute. And I love this collection. I don't know what it is, but I do love it. Now, she did send me some other things, which, again, not needed, but very much appreciated. I wish I was better at untying knots, so I might I'm just going to cut right here. Oh, wait, maybe I don't have to. Do I have it figured out? This goes this way. I think I made it worse, but this is a little pumpkin bell. I'm going to trim one because I think that'll lead to everything else coming together. Now, I'm not sure what this is. I have to let my cats play with that later. But she wrapped it all nice. So let's see. I'll go this way. Looks like it must be paper. Maybe it's a book. Oh, this is cute. I can already tell I'm gonna like it. It's got stuck on. Oh, there's a sticker on the back. Some extra tape. There we go. This is the Recollections Halloween Mischief Manor. These oranges are some of my favorite oranges. Okay, it doesn't show you on the back, so we'll do a flip through. 24 sheets, 8x8. Funny enough, I just bought an 8x8 album, which it's the second one I own, but I really want to do it. You know what I mean? Once you buy enough of something, you eventually want to actually complete the project. So maybe I'll do an 8x8 of our Halloween party, because that would be fun to do for a mini album. And I can use these. Oh, and they're double-sided. If you've got it not. Guys, I can't make this stuff up. It's so cute. Again, not a fan of spiders, but we'll do anything for a nice pattern. We've got this one. Tons and tons of fun Halloween words. Vertical. Them stripes always get me. We got some frames. This one would be really fun to fill in with some photos. And then you got the creepy eyes. I have not seen this. Like I said, my Michaels didn't have much. This one's really good too. This might be an older collection. Again, I don't know. Oh, the cats. I can't get over the sassy cats either. So funny. Borders, I use these all the time. I'm a huge fan of border pages and paper pads. Oh, ghosties. Oh, little dressed up skeletons. Wow, these are really unique patterns. Little haunted houses. Some spooky little pumpkins. And this is a bright orange. Either it's really dark orange or it's bright orange. And this is a bright orange. Really like the tombstones. Those are good cut aparts. Oh, this one's good too. I love the black on orange. Little ghosties around the edges. See, this spider web doesn't bother me as much because there's no spiders on it. And then there's this haunted house with a kitty and ghosties. Oh, this one's so precious. Boo in a script font. Black and white stripe. Everybody loves those. Oh my god, look at these mummies. And then some more cut aparts. You Are Magic. That's cute. That'd be good for any Disney page. Me thinking Disney now. More spiders. We don't like those. But pumpkins. We're about those. Oh, that's so cute. I wonder if it is this year's. I have not seen this anywhere. Really, really cute though. Wow. Thank you so much. And then there's one last thing, which it does sound breakable, but it doesn't sound broken. So we can hope that it's not broken. Oh, was it because you sent me tea? That's so precious. Look at this little mug. It's kind of got, it's like a grayish green on the indented parts. So it gives it like a rustic look. I like this little guy. He looks funny. Little cross-eyed guy. This is such a good mug. I don't have any tall mugs. Isn't that funny? So this will be really, really great. And the mugs that I do own, besides using them for drinks, I also use them for ice cream. Because that way you don't have to hold a cold bowl. You hold the... It's a funny idea. And it's dishwasher safe. The best kind of mug there is dishwasher safe. Jana, thank you so much. This is beyond anything I could have imagined. I feel like I need to send you another package because I don't think mine's adequate compared to all these beautiful, beautiful things that you've made and sent. I love this little guy, this little storage guy. I'll have to try this out next time I make a pocket page letter. Like, how easy is that? Imagine this on a scrapbook page too, or in a mini album. Oh my god, brilliant ideas. And just the little clusters that you made on everything. This Hey Pumpkin. I could use this on a page or reuse it because it's got Velcro. Little, even, I don't know what this little sticker was off of, but I can keep it now and use it on something else. You sent me way too much, but I really sincerely appreciate everything you sent. This little, even a little like tackle box full of fun things. How precious. I can't get over this box either. But thank you guys so much for watching again. Thank you, Jana, for sending me this and doing a swap with me. It's really fun to get into the Halloween spirit in a different way than just eating candy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this swap video. Again, if you guys are interested in doing swaps, I highly recommend checking out different Facebook groups. There's a lot going on in them, and you can find lots of people there. But thank you again so much, Jana, and thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!